In this video, we will write a Python function that counts the frequency of each character in a given string. So let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to define a function, I can call this frequency, that will take a string as a parameter. Now I just want to go through the string and determine the frequency of each character. And in Python, I can do this with the help of a dictionary, which holds key and value pairs. Basically, you can think of it as a term and a definition. And so I'll create a variable, and I'll call it counts, and I'll set this equal to an empty dictionary. So now I just need to go through the string, letter by letter, and populate this dictionary. So let's do that. And so I'm going to use a for loop. I'll say for character in string. So now this will create a variable named char, in this case char, that holds basically the next individual character in the string. So if I were to pass in the word hello, it'd be H first time, E the second time, so on and so forth. So now I just need to determine if the character is already in the dictionary. So I'm going to say if character in counts.keys, and then if it is in the dictionary, I want to add 1 to the character's count. So I'll say counts character. So I'm referencing the specific character, and then I'm going to update its count by 1. All right. Otherwise, if the character is not already in the dictionary, then I'm going to want to add it. So I'd say same way, counts character, but this time of adding 1, I'm just going to set it equal to 1. So I say counts character equals 1. All right, and so that's pretty much that. So let me just return counts then, and then I can call this. So let me call frequency, pass in a string. So we need to do xxx, y, and then 4 z's. So let's try running it. All right, so we get 3 x's, 2 spaces, 1 y, and 4 z's. But perhaps you don't want the spaces. So to fix this, we can call the replace function. So we'll do string.replace, and we'll specify what we want replaced, in this case a space, and what we want to replace it with, which is nothing. So let's try running it again, and as you can see, we get 3 x's, 1 y, and 4 z's. Alright, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have a prompt you'd like me to try, please leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for your time.